Hello traders, this is Mike Hamilton for Trade the Easy Way, and just a recap on my Euro short. You're looking at this is a daily chart in the middle, and so I got short at around about the 166 level here, and now I've got short at this 104 level, which is where we're at right now after the FOMC minutes. So just basically looking for a wave pattern. Here's the Brexit wave, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we've had an A, B, C wave correction. I'm just looking for this to capitulate up against this resistance for a C wave, D wave, down to potentially the 108 area, and we'll see if that happens. I have to say that, we've had a bullish day, we've closed higher for the day, but just looking for this to roll over. My stop is above 125, at the 128 level for both of those trades now, for both entries, and we'll see if that can work out. Of course we are closing higher, so I need to make sure I'm managing my risk. So the first trade is break even plus 40. So worst case scenario, I come out of this probably about break even now, given that I've got a 25 plus pip stop on the second lot. Alright, quick look at how the Dow's behaved. I'm just looking for this to return to Monday's highs as we get towards non-farm payroll. So if we can get into Monday was around just under around the 18,000 mark. If we get in there and get a sell signal, I will get a swing trade short. Otherwise, not much to report. The Aussie US is right up against the trend line here, so that's had a nice bounce. You can see this trend line here on the 3 hour. So I'm watching that for, we've got I think we can come higher. I would like to see that get up to 76, so we test the daily resistance up there. That's it. Let's just look at the pound yen, because this has retraced some. So we had a low of 128.50 area roughly, and we're just at 131. We are due a bounce here, and that was an incredible drag to the downside on this pound yen. So let's see if we can get up to 133.20. So 133.10, at which point we'll just need to see what can happen with that market. Alright, that's it. See you later. Hello traders, we are hitting the all-time highs in the Dow, so this channel is very much in operation. If at some stage soon we can climb above this 350, 360 level here on the Dow, I think we can push up, pull back, and then potentially go and test this top of this channel and this extension. This is a 127 extension here at 19,200. Let's just take it one step at a time. We're already getting quite a high stochastic up here, and potentially no, I was going to say divergence. It's not quite a divergence yet, and we'll see. Ideally, if this is going to short, I'd like to see it poke its head above 350, maybe even go and test 18.5 and then put a sell signal in, because it's always just a little bit easier, I find, if the markets just overreach themselves and then start selling off. It just gives you a bit more scope to get a stop in. But let's take that one step at a time and just see where that's going to lead us. In the meantime, this pound yen had a great day. I did get a chunk of this, but not enough because I was so busy today. You can see we're right into the bottom of this channel, and we've closed the gap. And this level I got here, 970, it's just round about the close on Brexit day, 23rd. So we have partly bounced back. So if we can now come back to something like 750, 800, any lower will be a gift. Looks as if we are closing above this 20 EMA on the daily, so it looks as if next stop 145, and that goes for the US dollar yen as well. You can see we bust through the support here on the 24th. We even dragged ourselves down on non-farm payroll day back to parity, and here we are at 105 nearly. So a pullback to 103.50 area, because that looks as if that's capable of going back to 106. Talked about this in the room last week, so we need to try and make the most of this. Alright, Euro US dollar. I talked about this being somewhat neutral in the round table last night. We've come in contact with the 16th of June lows, and we're back under the 50%. So if we, in theory, if we break 110, this could come tumbling down, but it looks as if it's trying to hold, so it's in a very neutral area, so I'm just standing aside on the euro. I was short, I took some off at the lows and I hedged the rest, so with some good trade management skills I have still come out with a reasonable profit on this one. Okay, the website is very near completion. I'm away, I'm in tomorrow and I'm away until end of Monday. Well, I'm actually back on Sunday, but I'm going to be sleeping and resting on Monday for catching up for clock changes and jet lag even, and so on. So I would want to be opening up again on Monday, traders around the table, which I hope we got a lot to see at that stage. Alright, so I will be around tomorrow, and so watch out for these levels and take care of that account and take care of yourself. Bye for now.